Hi, Achy Dad here. Hold on a minute. Come here. Oh. Yeah, we gotta get the backyard chicken out of the way here. Hold on. Okay, I got a few minutes, probably without chickens or kids, to open up a ladder I got. I'm trying out my first telescoping ladder. I don't know why I didn't know about these. I haven't used more than one, so I'm only going to review this on an unboxing and trying it once and seeing how it is. And I'm going to do a voiceover because the neighborhood can get noisy, and you know how mics are. I don't have an external mic that's going to reach all the way there. If you want to send me one, I'll review it though. Okay, here we go. All right, here I am opening the bag I got, which was a separate purchase. It seems pretty good, you know, the normal thin plasticky material, but not bad. I guess it had a window for looking through. No, actually that ends up being for one of the ladder rungs. The first thing I noticed about this ladder is it was bigger and heavier than I thought, which was a good feeling because it felt strong. And the big legs at the bottom especially feel pretty good. I looked at the directions, but no. And it does, in fact, telescope. Pretty good. Felt pretty solid here. I weigh about 130, no, right, 180 pounds. Part of being so achy. What's this? Oh my God, shaking the camera. Some little elf, and he's gone. Okay, there I'm up there, bouncing. It felt pretty good. I know I'm leaning at a kind of a hard angle, or what you would call a high angle, but I was testing its strength. It went up, God, it went up 3 or 4 feet beyond that gutter. And the interesting thing, there's stuff on the legs to not read carefully. Anyway, now bringing it down, you know, this is a slowdown, like a kind of an air shock absorber. I still didn't quite feel it wasn't going to snap my fingers, but then of course I realized I was doing it wrong. I think you're supposed to hold the rungs and clip the two things with 2 hands from under the other rung. So you can do it without your fingers getting bonked. This was interesting. There's no red things to release on the last one, but there's these black things to release the last telescope, and I realized it's supposed to be that big, the ladder. I didn't show you how long it took to do that clip, but it was just because I'm, you know, not too smart. Nice Velcro there, and then that little hole in the bag becomes obvious. You can carry it on your shoulder, but you can also pick it up there. All in all, I mean, putting a 10.5-foot ladder in your trunk is great, or keeping it in the house for hallways and stuff, so I'm just heading out there. Stay safe out there.